So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit your bio of your Etsy account here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, then press on view your profile. Then go to the top left here and select edit public profile. Once you're on this page, just scroll down to where it says about. So tell people a little bit about yourself. So you can say, this is my store, whatever your about is, wonderful. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on Save Changes, and yeah, there you go. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit or how to update, I guess, your bio here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.